Hello guys, I'm back. Call me Sam Martins, musical touch teacher, and I'm back now to discuss about composing rhythm adhering to their factors. You know, previously we had talked about factors to consider when adhering to when composing rhythms, for example, time signature, symmetry. We talked about use of rest, repetition of notes, variation of notes, among others. So we want to see where these factors are adhering. Then also we talked about composing rhythm in monotone, which means we repeated some notes. Yeah. But now when we are composing this one, it's different, slightly different from composing using monotone. Okay? Why? Because this one we are going to consider these factors of rhythm. And when we come to the time signature, it will remain. We're going to talk about simple time signature. And remember we said simple time signature means time signature which the lower number is divisible by 2. And examples of these time signatures that we use, we had 2-4, we had 3-4, and we had 4-4 time signature. 4-4 time signatures, they are simple time signatures because this lower number is divisible by 2. And when we come to this time signature and composing of rhythm, we said we are going to use some notes. And remember the notes that we use, sorry, this one, it's oval shape. We use the semi-brief notes, dotted meaning, we had a meaning, we had a crochet, and we had a quiver. Because if you don't know these notes, you cannot compose a time signature. So if you want to compose your rhythms, you must know these notes. And I've said this is and their value. This one is a semi-brief, the value is 4 beats, this one 3 beats, this one 2 beats, and this one is 1 beat, this one is a half a beat, sorry, and this one is a quarter a beat. If you want to compose your rhythms, make sure you know this. Just free advice. And 2-4 time signature, 3-4 time signature, 4-4 time signature, we say these ones are simple time signature. So let's start with these 2-4 time signatures. Let me use a different pen. We have 2-4 time signatures. But now we are adhering to the factors of rhythm. So 2-4 means 2 beats per bar. 2 beats per bar. And if we are adhering to the factors, we can come and decide we start with this one, which is minim. A minim is 2 beats, so that bar is full. When we come to the next bar, let's now, because we are varying the notes. Remember variation of beats? Yes, variation of beats. So we vary the beats. We can have 1 crochet. We have 1 crochet, and we can have 2 quavers, like that. We can do mathematics. 1 plus a half plus a half. You get, this is 1. 1 plus 1, you get 2. So that bar is balanced, okay? Where we have this one and 2 crochets. Then the next one, we can decide to have 4 what? Let me have 4 quavers. 4 quavers. That one is balanced. It is a half plus a half plus a half plus a half. That is 2 balanced. Then the last one, because of repetition of notes, we can repeat which one. Let's repeat this bar. We say this one and this one. Remember, repetition of notes and variation of notes, they are also factors to consider. That's why I have repeated this. So this is 1 plus 1, 1 plus a half plus a half. That is 2. These ones are balanced. So this one is balanced. And we are varying the notes. We are using a variation of the notes among others. Then after that, I can have another example of 2-4. 2-4 time signature. I will still start with this one, making it the main beat. Then I'll use the rest of a crochet. The rest of a crochet can be like this, which is 1 beat. Then with a crochet itself, which is also 1, to get 2. Then let me have 2 crochets here, 2 crochets. Then we can have semi-quiver and a crochet, semi-quiver and a crochet. If we do our mathematics, this is 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 1 plus 1, again you get 2, a half plus a half plus 1, you get 2. So this bit is balanced already, okay? That is adhering to the factors. And you can also do more and more mathematics. It's all about mathematics. You can also use the quavers, the semiquavers, quavers, as long as you're not surpassing 2. So the bar should not exceed 2 bits. You make sure the last bit is adding up to 2. Let me come to the next one. Next example. Next example. That is when we are adhering to the factors of the notes. The next example, the next time signature, we are going to have 3, 4 times signature. Do you know what happens with 3, 4 times signature? The number you consider is the upper number. So 3 means 3 bits per